Yo, what's up guys? It's me Dinotti here, and today we're gonna make some new video, some different video, and I'm gonna try to speak English because all you guys I know you don't understand Slovenian, but doesn't matter guys. I wanna say something. I just ordered, I don't know if you know, but guys, I'm a streamer on Twitch. You can see me like on Twitch TV, Dinotti, double T, and I'm like streaming for 1 year, and I have that seat, DXRacer. It's not so. I just experienced some pain in my neck, and I thought maybe it's because of the of this small, how do you say, small small support on the back which comes here, and I just ordered the new one, the bigger one. See, there's the smaller one, and I ordered the big one, which is this. See, the big one. I got this one for cheap because it has some logo of some clan, which I'm not gonna say because they're not my sponsor. I just took black pen and just paint it over so it can't be seen. And this is quite bigger than this. You see the difference? But the thickness, is almost the same. So I don't see the point of this. It's a little bit wider. This one is a little bit smaller. I don't see the point. I thought it's gonna be wider, so when you're sitting down, you can just rest your neck normally, but still you have to go so back. And I don't know, we're gonna see through the time if this will make any difference. Okay, I'm gonna show you that on seat later. Now I'm gonna show you because I need some, footrest, and I was like googling on YouTube, didn't find anything. I think nobody, or maybe I just didn't find, nobody was like doing the unboxing of the footrest. It's not official DXRacer, I see. I think they just bought it from somewhere and they're just selling it, maybe take some money. But it looks good. And I'm gonna do the unboxing of this. See, I'm gonna go closer so you can see, because my cable is like too short so I can be closer. So I'm gonna show you my official footrest, Bosnian style. What that Bosnia? See, we say footrest, aka Scamlia. Scamlia is the name of the footrest in Bosnia. Typical wooden. It did the good job, but there's no angle, so I can't make an angle so my feet can rest a little bit better. I'm gonna show you this one, footrest. I'm gonna zoom a little bit later in the program, but doesn't matter. Okay, so it's a simple box, small box, light box, and I'm gonna try to open this. Of course, this unboxing is gonna be short. Like empty box, arrivederci. You got it in like, protective nylon with those, we used to do that like kids, That was the best, man. So I'm gonna have some fun after this video. So I'm gonna do the best you can do. You see, this is the best. Okay, I just bought them like 100. Okay, so what we got in here? We got like side panels that I'm gonna open, and everything like usually just flies around when I'm unboxing. And you see, okay, I think we're gonna have to sample something. We got some paper which is destroyed. It's like instruction manual. Oh, it says DXRacer user manual. That's a manual you get. Thank you DPD for that. Really. Okay, so we got like basic, stands. Basic stands, look at this, and ordinary plastic, solid plastic, kind of cheap, looks cheap. We're gonna see how long it will last. Because I'm kind of furious gamer, I like to hit, when I'm angry. It's not that I like, but I just do that. Okay, you see, the only metal part is this screw. So I think you just put this together. I'm gonna untie the bolt, make it apart, put it apart. Do again with this one. So, okay, let me see. I think, this is good. Nice. Okay, you gotta go. Better, better to watch instructions. Footrest accessories. So, put. See, thanks God for that good instruction manual, which is shown like not bad. We gotta first, repair the paper so we can put this shit together. Okay, I'm gonna just do it like this. See, put here. Okay, which side do we have to put? I don't know. It says, oh, it says this. I think it's like this, yeah. You know, that hole has to be on the outside, and just put like this inside, and okay, first of all, this big dildo, put it in like this. Some brute force is good. Okay, I just gotta know if I did it or not. Usually I do always like wrong side. That's me, you know. That's me. God damn it, man. Of course, Dino has to. Okay, I can't reassemble this shit now. Oh yeah, both is less wide. How can I put this shit up apart? Okay, maybe some foot part. Oh, I got you. So, yeah, this has to be on the right side, like this. No, yeah, this. Put like this, you know. That's the problem. Every time I do something, you know, I had to make some mistakes before I figure out how to. But see, it's unbelievable. I did it again. God damn it! God damn it, man! Is it on that side? Oh yeah, I'm right. Okay, finally. Now we gotta use some brain. No, without brains we're nothing. Okay, we Bosnians are known that our brains are a little bit slower than others, you know? You know? God damn it. God damn it. Yeah! Seems gonna work now. Like this, so I put it, it has some rubber, so it doesn't slide, you know, that's a good thing. And fuck it, man. Like this. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did I do it wrong again? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did it wrong again. God damn it, man. So it has to be inside, outside. Ah! Again, we fucked it up. See, but here. Now you gotta use pure force. If you're not using pure force, you're dead. You're dead. So you gotta make sure. Look at this. You gotta make sure that this, you see, gear fits in this gear, so it goes like you know, together. I don't know why I said that, but I said it. Okay. Do it, you know, do it. Yeah, that's usually whenever I'm like repairing some bikes or motorcycles or anything, you know, I gotta screw it up sometimes. But you know, they say you learn by mistakes, you know. So you just put that screw inside, okay? I hope it's gonna fit. Oh my God, I forgot you gotta put like bolt and a screw, you know? See? It kind of comes like this. So you gotta find it here, put it together, you know? Cheap plastic made in China, guys, I'm telling you. You know? I think Scamlia will handle, would last longer. But we gotta be fancy shit, you know, so we gotta be fancy shit, so we're gonna do that. Okay, why am I? We gotta be fancy shit, so we gotta, you know, buy this, you know. Okay, you just screw that red one, and just you know, tighten the bolt like this, like this. So I think this is just easy, you know, but still, Dino needs a lot of that. So, okay, so if you don't tight so much, you can move it like this, you know. I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. You put it on the floor, you know. Yep, and just tighten up until you find a perfect angle. I think it's gonna be like this. Yeah, it's good. So this is finished product, guys. You see, plastic, fantastic footstep from DXRacer. I haven't seen on YouTube anybody made a review. You can see it like this. So this is all about footrest. It costs I think like 40 euros. It's fucking expensive if you ask me. Too much for this piece of plastic. This should cost like 10 euros max because it's not worth it, you know. They're just robbing us. In Bosnia on the piazza, it's a marketplace, you can get this like for 10 euros if you will find. But okay, this is it. So let's go on this side. Okay guys, now we're here with my DXRacer seat. You see, the point of this seat, they're good, but you need some headrest, you know, some pillow, so it can support your neck. Why? Because you're always playing. I just feel some uncomfortable like feelings, pain in my neck, because I'm a streamer and I do that every day like few hours. So originally you get this, you see, a little pillow which looks nice. It goes around like this, no? So you see, it can support your neck like in one way, but when you see it like this, you see when I'm playing like this, there's a gap between pillow and my head, you know. So I can't be like this. I'm trying to push this a little bit more. I can't sit like this, maybe. It's too geeky. You know, you gotta be cool. You gotta be cool. It's like in a car, you know. Hey chica, wanna ride? You know, it can't be like this. Which guy would be with you if you would put like this? I'm kidding. So, you know, I can't just put my head like that. And I saw those other pillows, you know, which is this. Which you get it with like high models of DXRacer. But at the beginning when I bought this, you know, this chair is good. It's really good. I recommend it to everybody, man. It's sturdy, firm, good quality, really built it to last. And it was like around 300 euros. I think I bought it from European side because I live in Europe, you know. And it just, you know, the best chair I ever had. But I ordered this one. You see, it has some icons down there. I just painted because I don't know who are they and they don't sponsor me, so I'm not gonna have their, you know, logo. And what's the difference between the small pillow and the big pillow? You know, just if you see the look, I think this one looks much better, you know. But the point is of wideness, you know. This one is a little bit more wide than this. We're gonna see if it's gonna help me to support my neck. I never played with this. The true test is gonna be one I'm gonna play. So I just try to put it like this, you know. But I think it's a little bit too high for me. A little bit too high. We're gonna try. Maybe I'm gonna have to use this plastic which came with the first pillow. So when you're sitting like this, okay, it's much better, you know, it's wider. But still, maybe it pushes my head too much now, you know. It supports. There's no gap between head and this pillow, and there's no gap. So we're gonna see, maybe if I could just do it like the old pillow, you know, the way to just secure it with this one. This is a plastic, because you can take this, you see, inside, it's kind of not so easy, but we can manage it, you know. See, it has that, you can just use this, and you can secure it, just take that elastic, I don't know how to say. You know, my English is not so good. You know, I don't know how to use all those words. I just put it like this. You know, it's kind of ugly, but I'm gonna make this later to look better. You know, just for test now. So it's a little bit. You know, this pillow went down, and I think the difference is, you know, if I put it like this, I can play like this. I can be like cool. You see, and I'm cool. Hey, chica, you wanna see my pillow? It's a quite a wider and a bigger. She's gonna be I want that guy. Yeah, just kidding. So I think it's better. So definitely, this is an upgrade of pillow. I gotta get kind of used to it, but I think it's gonna manage. So we can play like this. You know? Now when I'm gonna kill those motherfuckers, my neck is gonna feel, oh, kill them more, you know? Kill them more! So yes, okay guys, I think this is the video about footrest and my pillow, you know, the second pillow, the wider pillow. This is like, you know, I don't usually make vlogs in English, sorry for my bad English. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and you know, come to my Twitch. I'm a streamer, and I hope we're gonna see you there. So until the next time, see you later, alligator. Bye.